Have you ever wondered, what makes your favorite fragrance so enchanting?
Let's unravel the mystery together. At the heart of every perfume lies a blend of carefully crafted ingredients, and two key players in this aromatic symphony are esters and alcohols. Esters, which are formed from the reaction between acids and alcohols, are responsible for many of the delightful fruity and floral notes we adore. Imagine the sweet scent of ripe peaches or the fresh aroma of blooming jasmine. These are often the result of esters at work, creating a sensory experience that can transport us to cherished memories or dream destinations. Alcohols, on the other hand, serve as the backbone of most perfumes. They not only help dissolve the fragrant oils but also act as a carrier, allowing the scent to bloom beautifully on our skin. The most common alcohol used in perfumery is ethanol, which evaporates quickly, leaving behind the captivating notes that linger throughout the day. This delicate balance of ingredients is what makes fragrance design both an art and a science. Now, let's talk about fragrance design itself. Perfumers, often referred to as noses, meticulously blend various notes to create a harmonious scent profile. They consider the top, middle, and base notes, ensuring that each layer unfolds gracefully over time. The top notes are what you smell first, bright and fresh. They capture your attention. As the fragrance develops, the middle notes emerge, adding depth and character. Finally, the base notes provide lasting richness, anchoring the scent and leaving a memorable impression. Creating a perfume is like composing a symphony, where each ingredient plays a vital role in the overall experience. It's a beautiful reminder of how science and creativity intertwine, allowing us to express ourselves through scent. Thank you for joining me on this aromatic journey. If you found this exploration of the science of perfume intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Let's continue to celebrate the magic of fragrance together.